In this lesson, we're going to learn about Venn diagrams and set notation. So what is a set? A set is a group of elements which all have something in common, what we call a common property. For example, you could have the set that is the first 5 multiples of 2. This set would contain the elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. A different set might be the first 5 multiples of 3. This set would contain the elements 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. As mathematicians, we often use Venn diagrams to represent sets. Each set is represented by a circle, and the elements within the set go inside that circle. So looking at the example we discussed previously, we could represent the two sets, the first 5 multiples of 2 and the first 5 multiples of 3, as a Venn diagram as shown here. The elements for each set go inside the circle, but you'll notice that 6 is actually at the intersection between two circles. This is because the element 6 is in both sets. It's in the first 5 multiples of 2, but also the first 5 multiples of 3. This shows us why Venn diagrams are powerful, because they can show you when elements are in more than one set. There is a whole mathematical language associated with sets, and also a notation. We're going to learn that now. The first symbol that we're going to learn is the union symbol. You'll see that like a U shape here. Now we have a Venn diagram which shows 3 sets, set A, B and C. Each of these sets contain elements which are in this case the letters, the lowercase letters. Now if we are asked to list all the elements in the set A union B, we take all of the elements in set A and all of the elements in set B and combine them together. So in the case of the Venn diagram here as shown, it's all the elements in the shaded circles combined. So the elements in set A union B are N, D, L, A, E, R, U, O and P. So the main thing to remember is that when you have the union symbol, you take both sets and put all of the elements together combined. The second bit of set notation that you're going to learn is the intersection symbol. In this case, it looks like an upside down U or perhaps a small letter N. This symbol means intersection. So we have the same Venn diagram here with sets A, B and C with elements which are the lowercase letters. The question says list the elements in set A intersection C. In this case, intersection means that the elements have to be in both set A and in set C. So they have to be in both circle A and circle C. That's the shaded area as shown in this Venn diagram. So the elements in A intersection C are the lowercase letters I and A as shown. So the main thing to remember with intersection is that those elements have to be in both of the sets. It is where the sets intersect each other as shown in this diagram. Have a go at this one now. List the elements in set B intersection C. Pause the video, have a go, then play the video to see if you're right. The set B intersection C is shown here, and it's the intersection between the two circles where the two circles overlap. So in this case, the elements in B intersection C are the lowercase letters E and R. To finish with, try this one. List the elements in set B union C. Pause the video, have a go, then play the video to see if you're right. The elements in set B union C are all the elements in both circles B and C combined as shown here. So in this case, the letters I, A, M, C, U, O, P, E, R. Those are the letters in B union C.